Hello everybody, welcome to the fourth question of database management system. You were assigned Institute to develop the school management system of Kaggle Mahavidyalaya. Your part is to develop this software. Your part to developing this software is to create a database. With this software, you can easily manage all student information, all teaching information, class schedules, etc. This is Kaggle Vidyalaya DB as the name of the database. Draw an ER diagram. So first let's create the database Kaggle Vidyalaya DB. So we have MySQL workbench here. Let's click on our connection as usual first. And to create an ER diagram, we must click new module. And we must put our database name here. Okay, we created the database Kaggle Vidyalaya DB. So now let's see what's next. So the next step is creating the table student. So let's create the table student. So let's see what's the next step. The next step is creating the column called the index number. It's Varsha 10. The next column is the first name and the last name, but there are two different columns. So both of them had got Varsha 45. So let's make the columns first name and the last name with the digit type Varsha and the length, the character length for 45. Okay, let's see what's the next column. The next column means the gender, it's Varsha 10. Let's see what's the next column. The next column is the contact number. It's also Varsha 10. And next, let's see what's the column. The next column means the address, it's Varsha 60. So that's it for the student table. So let's see what's next. Next is the guardian table. So let's create the table named guardian. So we created the guardian table. Now let's go and see what's next. We created a guardian table like this. The next and the first column of the guardian table is the guardian ID. It's Washington. The next column is the first name of the guardian and the last name. Both of them are Vacha 45. Gender is Washington. The gender column is Washington. The contact number column is also Washington. Let's finish both of this entire table with both of those columns at once. Okay, and the guardian table is done. Let's see what's next. Next table is the teacher table. So the question says name the, the relationship between the two tables, student and guardian, that you set up above. Mark it in the diagram you created. So in this situation, it must be. So we must make both these. We must make both these tables top IDs primary keys before. So in the previous video, I showed you what happens if you don't add a primary key uh, to when you are adding a relationship. So let me click on the table and make turn this into primary key. So here, uh, here a a guardian has a lot of students, can have a lot of students. So we're going to have make students many and guardian one. This is the relationship between guardian and the student. Like this relationship. So the fourth question is a teacher teaches several subjects and one subject teaches several teachers by several teachers. We teach the table and subject table using appropriate relationship. For the instruction below to create the table, create an ER diagram. So we must create an ER diagram for this. So here you must understand that one teacher can have many subjects and many subjects can be taught by one teacher. So many subjects can be taught by one teacher and one subject can be taught by many teachers. So let's create the relationship for that. So first we must create the tables, two tables, teacher and the subject. So I'll really quickly create a teacher table. Another subject table. Here we go, subject name. So we must create a main-to-many relationship here. So main-to-many means one-to-many and one-to-many. It creates another table. So teacher has subject, so subject has teacher. Both of them counts. So we must transform this into non-identical relationships. These are identical relationships. And that's how it is. So this is it for this question. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something from this.